You guys have been asking for it. You have been asking for it, and I'm granting it to you. If you didn't see the last video I posted, we are doing an insane giveaway. This is 100% real. Brace yourselves, take a deep breath, make sure you're sitting down. On my Instagram right now, at Tom Stefaniuk, we're giving away a pair of these for free in your size. This is the only time I'm going to tell you. Well, I mean, maybe I might tell you later, but this is the only time I'm going to tell you. Do not miss out. These things are going to resell for so much, and you can get them for free. All you need to do is follow me and like a picture. It's super easy. It's here, Super Bowl Sunday, America. To be 100% honest, I'm not really a football fan, and I'm not really cheering for anyone specific at all. I just, I want to watch the game, see the commercials. I heard The Weeknd is having a pretty cool halftime show, but overall, I'm not really cheering for anyone in particular. I just, looking forward to having a pretty fun time with my friends this evening. I'm cheering for Tampa Bay. I just got a ton of this stuff in the mail, and I thought it was a little bit over the top. Not gonna lie though, this is actually a pretty sick shirt. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I don't know who the parking enforcement on this block is, but once again, I've been parked there for hours and still no ticket. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I really like the way it is that I never get tickets, but parking enforcement, do your job. Today we are going to see something very exciting. We are getting our hands on, I don't want to say the most exciting, because there are shoes that I really love, like the neutral gray one that I got my hands on last week are amazing, but one of the most exciting sneaker releases of 2021. I am not going to get these by myself though. We are picking up a very good friend of mine who I think some of you guys might know.
Oh, she's locked. What's up, bro?
This is the first time you've been in a video in how long?
It's been a long time.
Over a year, 100% over a year. This is my friend Name Brand. If you guys don't know Name Brand, you don't know anything. A slight issue. We may or may not be an hour early because I messed up the time. Have you seen my office yet?
I haven't.
Are you excited?
I'm pretty excited, man.
Really?
Yeah, I'm happy for you. This is awesome. No way, bro. It's huge. Good for you, buddy. This is where it all goes down, huh? Killed it. I don't have any shirts this time.
Okay, Brandon.
I'm not trying.
We have an office rule that every new guest needs to try an electric skateboard. This one is an off-brand, low-budget electric skateboard.
Okay.
And it has the touchiest controller ever. But literally all you need to do is, you see that? You just push that forward, okay? It's going in that direction. You're gonna be perfectly safe.
Oh my God. I'm scared. I didn't realize.
See, I told you, you're perfectly safe. You're perfectly safe.
Holy Jesus, man. It's not even fun. It's just scary.
This is what I do for a living. I love it. Since we're in the office right now, I thought it'd be a really good time just to mention to you guys that the February mystery box is on sale right now for $49.99 with a link in the description. We are putting in a pair of Dior Jordan 1s into the box this month for $49.99, as well as 30 other pairs of Jordan 1s. Everyone's guaranteed $50 of value. There is tons of awesome stuff in the boxes this month. They're also selling really quick though, because I know you guys are excited to get a pair of Dior Jordan 1s for $49.99. Link in the description. That being said, Brandon, we should probably get going. What I didn't tell Brandon is that we are driving to literally the complete opposite end of the city. So hopefully you don't have anything planned for today. And here we are, and I told you guys this was 100% worth it. The Trophy Room Jordan 1s. Now, these are from Collab Shop. They were actually kind enough to let me check these out because they got an early pair. I'm gonna leave all their links down in the description. Really, really cool sneaker store coming to Winnipeg that I'm excited to show off and just shop at and be, you know, in all the time making cool videos and stuff. It's gonna be exciting, but this is also ridiculously exciting. And lots of people are calling these early on. I know we're only like a month and a little bit through 2021, but people are calling these the shoe of the year. People are saying this is gonna be the best shoe that comes out this year. And I mean, you know my feelings on that. I'm gonna go with the neutral gray one so far, but this is a nice pair of shoes. We're hearing that these are limited to 12,000 pairs, releasing at Trophy Room, releasing online. They're gonna be impossible to get. They're gonna resell for well over $1,000. Right now, I think they're reselling for like $2,500. And I was lucky enough to get my hands on a pair right here to show you. So as you guys know, if you've been following on Instagram or Twitter or anything, so many pairs of these have been getting backdoored out of stores. Like, I feel bad for people that are actually signing up for these raffles at stores that are gonna have 95% of their stock backdoored. It's insane. We've seen people with literally hundreds of pairs backdoored. I've had probably 20 people reach out to me saying, hey Tom, I have pairs in hand that I backdoored. Would you like to buy them? I just can't convince myself to cough up this much money yet. Like, it is such an expensive pair of shoes, but it is so cool. Let's take a look at some of the details of just this awesome sparkly red leather. I really don't know what kind of technique they used on this leather to make it look like this, but it looks so cool, and it has a really cool feel to it. It almost feels like a soft sandpaper, if that makes any sense. Like, there's grains on it, which is really cool. But besides that, and the icy bottom with the Chicago flag on it, which is really cool as well, it's a regular Jordan 1 Chicago. All the color blocking is the same. The leather feels pretty similar to most Jordan 1s, but besides the sparkles and the icy bottom, it is the same exact shoe. So that begs the question, since these are just like a regular Chicago with some sparkles on it, does that justify the price? I mean, I think we've seen that the answer is yes. I mean, the off-white Chicagos are just Chicagos with foam and the swoosh that they didn't sew on properly, and those go for $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, depending on what size you're looking for. So yeah, I mean, the price is justified just because of the supply and demand of this. And people are gonna get mad, people are gonna get upset saying, I really want this shoe, darn resellers ruining everything. That's how the market works, guys. If there's not a lot of something and lots of people want it, unfortunately, it's gonna be impossible to get. I still want to try and get a size 12 though. As a Jordan 1 connoisseur and collector and purveyor of all things Jordan 1, I really want to get a pair. I mean, I have all the other heavy hitters, at least most of them. I have Off-Whites, I have Unions, I have Chicago's, Breads, Royals, all of the classics. I think this would be a really cool one to add into the collection. I just need to figure out how on earth I'm gonna find a size 12 for a not ridiculous price. And I mean, we don't even know what specific day they're coming out. They're coming out this month, we think, but there's no release date that's been confirmed. Some people said February 10th. Doesn't look like that's happening. Some people said February 14th. Maybe that's happening. That'll be Valentine's Day, but that's a Sunday. It seems weird for them to release it on a Sunday. So no one really knows when these are coming out, but I am so excited for when they do. And knowing me, I'm not gonna be on my phone. I'm gonna be in a meeting somewhere that I'm gonna have 28 notifications saying that they dropped, and I've missed my chance to get them for retail. One thing I would just like you guys to know about these is that if you're buying these to actually wear them and enjoy them a lot, maybe not the best shoe. And that's simply because of the icy bottom. So that'd be my one little critique and one little piece of advice about this shoe to you guys, is that, you know, this is not a shoe you can wear every day. It's gonna look like absolute garbage once you start wearing these 15, 20 times, because it's gonna get yellow and muddy and gross, which is why I wish they would stop using icy bottoms. They look cool when they're sitting on a shelf. They don't look cool when they're covered in mud. They just look very, very gross. But at the end of the day, I mean, if you want to buy them and you want to beat them up, it's completely up to you. I just think this is more of a pull it out once in a while when you really want to stunt on people type of shoe, and I think it will look really, really good while you're doing that. But that being said, guys, my opinion doesn't really matter. I want to hear your opinion down in the comment section below of what you think about these Trophy Room 1s. Actually, while we're here, Brandon, what do you think about the Trophy Room Jordan 1s?
They're not that sick, man. I don't know.
You don't like them?
I don't get it. I don't get it.
Really?
No.
Huh.
Like, these are cool. Show these, man.
These are actually really, 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 really cool. You've completely trashed these. Would you like to know how much those go for now?
Not really. Yeah.
Like over $1,000 Canadian.
It's alright. It's cool. Shoot.